Okay, so you've got a column of numbers, and somebody asks you, what's the average? Don't reach for a calculator. Excel has one word for this, and it's the word you'd expect. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you 5 ways to use it, and the one mistake that quietly ruins the answer. Here's all average does. It adds your numbers up, then it divides by how many there were. 80, 65, 90, 75, 70. That's 380 divided by 5, so 76. And the syntax is friendly. Equals average, open bracket, then whatever you want averaged. A range, single cells, or a mix of both. Text and blanks, it just skips them. Zeros, though, it counts. Hold that thought. Example 1, the everyday one. 5 students, 5 scores in column B. Equals average, B2 colon B6. That colon just means through. B2 through B6. Enter, and there it is, 76. And the nice part, if you insert a new student inside that range, the formula stretches to include them. You don't have to touch it again. Example 2. What if you only want some of them? Then name them. Equals average, B2, comma, B4, comma, B6. Commas separate each thing you're picking. 80, 90, and 70, that's 240 over 3, so 80. And yes, you can mix. A range, then a comma, then a single cell. Excel doesn't mind at all. Right, this one catches everybody. A blank cell is not a 0. Look, same 3 people. On the left, Bina's cell is empty, so average skips her. 170 over 2, 85. On the right, she's got an actual 0 typed in, so now it counts her. 170 over 3, 56.7. Same numbers, very different answers. So ask what your sheet really means. Empty is we don't know. 0 is they scored nothing. Now the lazy way, and honestly the way I use most. On the Home tab, there's AutoSum with a little arrow next to it. Click the arrow and you get a menu. Sum, average, count, max, min. Pick average, and Excel writes the formula for you and guesses the range. And if you just want a peek, don't write anything. Select the cells and look at the bar along the bottom. Average, count, and sum are already sitting there. Example 4. You've got Jan in column B and Feb in column C. Write it once for B. Then grab that little square at the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it across. The letters shift, the row numbers stay put, and C fills itself in. One formula, however many months you've got. Example 5, and this one feels like magic the first time. 3 sheet tabs, Jan, Feb, and Mar, and the same cell B2 on each of them. Equals average, Jan, colon, Mar, exclamation mark, B2. That averages the same cell across all 3 tabs, and you don't type it. Click the first tab, hold shift, click the last one, then click the cell. Excel writes the Jan, colon, Mar part for you. 3 traps before you go. 1. Zeros drag your average down while blanks don't, so be deliberate about which one is in your sheet. 2. A single outlier wrecks it. 9 people on 30,000 and 1 on 900,000, the average tells you nothing. Use median for the honest middle. And 3. If you see div/0, there's nothing numeric in your range. Usually that's numbers stored as text. So there's your cheat sheet. A range, picked cells, a whole column, across sheets, average if when you only want the rows that match, and median when one big number is skewing everything. Screenshot it. And that's average. Genuinely, that's the whole thing. Next up in the series is count. Small function, surprisingly handy. If this helped, give it a like and save it for later. And tell me in the comments which function you want me to do next.